Are you a hashtag skincare junkie? You know, I've been asked time and time again exactly how do I get my skin this clear, how do I keep it blemish free, and how do I keep basically my skin, looking vibrant, looking plush, looking youthful. Definitely keep on watching if you want to know exactly how I manage to keep my skin blemish free. Hey curl friends, and welcome to another episode of FNHROCKS, and I'm your curl-friendly lawyer, Lavinia Latham. Before we jump into today's episode, I'm gonna ask you guys to do me a really good favor. Number one, watch this video all the way to the end so you get all the tea. And number two, definitely go ahead and subscribe by hitting the little subscribe button right there, hit up the notification bell, and stick around to join the Curlfriend crew because we have a lot of fun up in here. Let's just jump on into this. The first face mask that I'm gonna show you guys today is this one right here. It definitely has like a chocolatey type of scent. So something like this, I'm gonna read the directions because this is a little bit different than the other face masks that I'm gonna show you guys today. In terms of the directions, it says to apply a generous amount to the face or the body, and it says to let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, and it can be used once a week for best results. It also says to test on a small area of your skin. If irritation occurs, please discontinue use. So I would definitely agree with that. You probably don't wanna be using face masks, new products, anything on your skin that you don't really know how your skin is going to react. You definitely want to go ahead and use any kind of product on a little patch of skin first. So I like to test my skin somewhere in the back, like around here or even back here, just somewhere where it's not overly visible. And if something bad does happen, it's very easy to kind of like camouflage that until the reaction kind of, runs its course. So that is the organic chocolate mousse mask. I hope you guys can see that. And this is it's USDA organic certified. So I do prefer to put organic products on my face, just because if it can go in your body, chances are likely it can go in your face too. So that is this one right here. And you get quite a bit with this. You get about 4 ounces. So 113 grams, I think that's pretty good. So for my second mask, this is the Sephora Pomegranate Eye Mask. And this is good for anti-fatigue and anti-dark circles. So if you've got dark circles under your eyes, this is gonna be really, really good at kind of relieving some of your dark circles, really helping to revitalize the skin, add back the youth to your skin if, things are looking a little less vibrant than you'd like it to look. This one says that it's got water, butylene glycol, glycerin, aloe barbadensis leaf juice. It's also got hydrolyzed sclerotium gum, as well as fragrance and some other extracts. So there's something called Punica granatum fruit extract, Passiflora edilis fruit extract. It's got potassium sorbate, citric acid, sodium benzoate, and sorbic acid. So it's not the cleanest, but it's not the worst either, which is why I would definitely recommend this. Now, when you're putting this on your eyes, it doesn't burn. I have used this before and I actually like it very much. So yeah, I do see a difference. Like whenever I find my skin looking a little dull, or I've just worked too long and too hard and my skin is starting to feel it, this definitely brings things back to normal. Third on the list is another Sephora mask. This one is for soothing and depuffing the skin. So this one is a cucumber eye mask. I mean, between using this cucumber eye mask and actually using cucumbers, I'm all about using as Ayurvedic, as natural ingredients as possible. And so this is a cucumber eye mask. It's meant to kind of do a play on cucumbers. Obviously, it's not actually cucumbers, but it's still pretty fantastic. In terms of the ingredients, it's got water, it's got the same butylene glycol as the other mask. It has glycerin, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, as well as a little bit more ingredients that are not necessarily 100% natural than I would like. But in terms of the good stuff, it's got quinoa seed extract, cucumber fruit extracts all the way at the bottom, you guys. So, I mean, maybe this one isn't the best. I probably wouldn't repurchase this, to be honest. I haven't used this just yet, but just because the ingredients aren't as clean, they're not as natural, I don't see myself necessarily repurchasing this. But this is kind of a cool thing to try just to see if it actually does soothe and depuff your skin. And I mean, if you're a hashtag skincare junkie, chances are likely you're gonna try this out anyway, so like, let's be real. Next, we're actually done with our Sephora face mask. This one, I can't even tell you guys where I got this. This comes from Skin Iceland. It says solutions for stressed skin. And this one is a Hydrocool firming eye gel. with something called hexapeptide technology. So it says it helps firm and depuff within minutes. This is another mask that I haven't necessarily used. I did receive this face mask in a promo box as well too. And so in terms of the ingredients, it's got water, polyacrylic acid, glycerin, olive fruit oil, root water, Angelica root water, sodium hydroxide, and something called ginkgo biloba leaf extract. So those are the top 5 ingredients, which means that that's what you're gonna get the most of in the product itself. In terms of how to use it, it says to remove the backing and apply gel side to under your eye area for up to 10 minutes. After application, gently peel away patch and dispose of. Use once a week or whenever you need a quick fix. So this is another one that I probably would use if my eyes are looking kind of tired or I've missed a couple of nights of sleep, anything of that nature. Curlfriends, if you guys have reached this far, thank you very, very much for watching. Let me know in the comment box below if you enjoyed this type of content here on FNHROCKS. If you guys want to see more skincare, I can definitely provide that to you. And if you don't want to see more skincare, then rest assured you won't see any more skincare. It's all up to you, because I am committed to making content that you guys actually want to see. Let's just jump back into this video. Face mask. So for the 5th face mask, I actually purchased a couple of face masks from Winners. I think in the US you guys call it TJ Maxx, you might even call it Marshall's, but they've got a lot of really good quality face masks and different beauty products that are a lot cheaper than if you had purchased it at the department store. So this one right here, this is called Mamand, and it's a pomegranate lively. It calls itself a Flower Lab Essence Mask, and it says it has advanced research on flowers, endless research on the root of true beauty. That's a high claim. Mamand reinvents beauty from the amazing power and energy that derives from flowers, which creates life and beauty. The strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers, inspired by flowers. It says that it's a brand that studies the natural wisdom of blooming flowers to truly attain beauty in women. That's really interesting. And it says that they study the optimum natural conditions for flowers to blossom and observe unique phenomena in order to discover their hidden effects and secrets. So for this one right here, my personal inner hashtag skincare junkie went a little bit overboard. I actually can't read the ingredients on this. This is straight from China or some type of an Asian country for sure. What I can understand on it is that, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are some icons there that, you know, just by virtue of being logical and having logical reasoning, I can see that it says that it has like a light fit of some sort. It also seems to say that it has water in there, so there's like water, like there's like some kind of liquid element in it, which I can definitely feel. And then on the back, it's got like instructions on how to use it. This is something I haven't actually used. I had tons more face masks, and I thought I had more to review with you guys today, but I don't know, I guess I need to go back and, like, you know, satisfy my little skincare junkie some more. But I haven't actually used this because I don't know what's in it. So if you guys know anything about this, let me know in the comment box below and let's have a conversation, because I actually have no idea what this is. I don't know what the ingredients are, and I really can't give you any more details on it because, yeah, I don't know. On that tip, for skincare face mask number 6, this is pretty much the exact same thing. I must have really liked the packaging because the packaging is pretty, but it does say that it's soothing. It says it has Calendula Soothing Flower Lab Essence Mask. Again, the only English on this is the stuff that I read before about the brand being focused on the beauty of flowers and flowers really, you know, informing that beauty and that kind of a thing. Last but not least, we've got this charcoal pore minimizing mask. So this is meant, if you've got large pores, this is gonna help remove those large pores for you. It says it's dermatologically tested. That's a good thing. And it also says it's a bamboo facial sheet mask. And it comes from Kiss New York Professionals. In terms of what it says, like the packaging claims, it says that number 1, charcoal draws out impurities for a flawless complexion. Number 2, Carnelia flower extract helps reduce the appearance of pores. And number 4, paraben-free, no artificial colorant. So that's good. You don't want to be putting parabens on your skin at all. Parabens are really, 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 really bad. So avoid that at all costs. In terms of the directions on how to use it, it does say to gently unfold the mask and apply the sheet on the face. Relax and enjoy for about 15 minutes. Remove that mask from your face and then massage the remaining product into your skin and enjoy your refreshed face. So for the most part, most of these skin masks kind of say that kind of thing. Like they have the same kind of package claims, package directions, ideas on how you should use it. And so it also has like a little instruction on the back on like what exactly that would look like once you are trying to use the product. yeah, curl friends, in terms of the ingredients, we don't want to miss that. It says it's got water, glycerin, something called methylpropionol. That doesn't sound very good, you guys. And that's the third ingredient, so, betaine, butylene glycol, Camellia japonica flower extract, sorry. Those are the top 5 ingredients. So you guys, reading ingredients is thoroughly important. When I started this video, I had every intention in my mind to use all of these products. But now that I am reading the ingredients with you guys, and you know, I fell victim just like anybody else. I fell victim to purchasing these products because they're pretty and because, you know, face masks are nice. But I haven't actually used them yet, because 9 times out of 10 what ends up happening, if you're anything like me, you purchase the product, you research it later, and then you find out, maybe that's not a good thing to put on my skin. So between all of these products, the one that I would feel the most comfortable putting on would definitely be this chocolate mousse mask, because that is organic in nature. I would feel comfortable putting on likely this one from Sephora. So this one was the Pomegranate Eye Mask. I would also feel comfortable putting on the Cucumber Eye Mask, even though I would probably be more apt to do the first one first. I would feel okay doing the Skin Iceland, but I need a little bit more research on the ingredients in these 2 masks and in the ingredients on this mask. So curl friends, are you guys enjoying this? If you guys are enjoying this, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You might want to take care of that. And definitely, if you haven't already, go ahead and join the $50 gift card giveaway for 500 subscribers. That video, I'm gonna drop the link in the comments below so that it will be really easy for you to connect with the link and then to figure out exactly how to join the giveaway. So curl friends, which ones are you gonna use? Are you a hashtag skincare junkie just like myself? Which one of those products do you see yourself using? Let me know in the comment box below and we'll be sure to have a conversation about it. If you're brand new to Find Natural Hair Rocks, you should know that I post new videos every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at approximately 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You should also know that if you join the Curlfriend crew, I call my subscribers Curlfriends, and we are all part of the Curlfriend crew here on Find Natural Hair Rocks. Thank you very, very much for watching this episode. I will be back on Monday, July, the 27th, I think? Oh my goodness, this month is almost done. On Monday, July 27th to discuss a really cool product from Sultanicals. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you caught this all the way to the end, put down in the comment box, skincare. If you guys would like to continue the conversation with me, you can find me on all social media platforms as Find Natural Hair Rocks. So that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course, YouTube as Find Natural Hair Rocks. That's it, that's all. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye!